Ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is a protective reflex, a response to irritants in our nasal passages. It's our body's natural way of expelling foreign substances. When particles like dust or pollen enter our nose, they tickle the sensitive mucous membranes. This triggers a signal to the brain, which responds with a powerful release of air through the nose and mouth, aka a sneeze. This process, often accompanied by the familiar achoo, helps keep our bodies healthy. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body looking out for you.